A new hope has started taking shape in the fields of Chhattisgarh. The Kharif season, which began with the monsoon, has now gathered pace. From ploughing the fields to paddy nurseries and transplantation, the work is progressing rapidly. So far, paddy and other Kharif crops have been sown in more than 2.014 million hectares across the state. This is nearly 41% of the state's total Kharif sowing target.
कोई दुखी होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। खाद बीज की पर्याप्त मात्रा हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर में है। कई बार गलतफहमी फैलाने का लोग प्रयास करते हैं।
The state government has already made extensive arrangements to provide certified seeds to farmers on time. The process of seed distribution is underway through the cooperative societies. This year, a target of distributing 4,95,000 quintals of certified seed has been set. Under this, 4,72,000 quintals of seed have already been stocked. So far, 3,68,000 quintals of certified seeds have reached the farmers, which is 77% of the target.
सोसाइटियों के माध्यम से ही बीज निगम है बीज बेचती है, तो हम लोग मई और जून में पहुंचा देते हैं। फिर जून 15-20 जून से किसान है जुलाई में खरीदना शुरू कर देते हैं।
Along with the availability of fertilizers and seeds, the distribution system is also being continuously monitored. The Agriculture Department is continuously reviewing stocking and distribution in cooperative societies so that farmers do not face any kind of difficulty during the Kharif season.
समय में मोला बीज की उपलब्धता हो जाते, अच्छा रेट मिलते, बीज उत्पादक कृषक के रूप में मोला प्रोत्साहन मिलते, जेकर से मोर आय बढ़े है।
सोसाइटी से भी है प्रमाणित बीज मिलते, सरना और सरनर में लेता हूँ, उला बोता हूँ, वो अंकुरन उमन सब बढ़िया आते, पैदाइश बढ़िया आते होगा।
Alongside the monsoon, with the hard work of farmers and the timely availability of agricultural resources, the Kharif season is moving forward on a strong foundation.